PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on this backgrounds. Now select this third one, white color. First step, select tools. Now select crop. Now select portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, select effects, select simple, and you have to scroll to the left and tap on this slow-mo option and decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, scroll up, select add photo, clip PNG, zoom out and simply stretch it and arrange like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, scroll up, tap on draw, select draw, zoom out. Now tap on this shape, select the square, scroll up, tap on this fill, tap on OK, select the color, select the yellow color. Now tap on tick, zoom out and draw like this. This is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select the crown PNG. The two PNGs. First I am going to arrange this Instagram logo on the right side top here, and second I am going to arrange this crown PNG on the center here. Now tap on blend, tap on multiple, stretch it a little bit. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select Instagram logo. Friends, this is the Instagram logo. First step, you have to go to blend and make it multiple, and you have to bring it down to the center here and arrange it here. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the hardness to 100 and erase these unwanted parts. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo, select standing pose model image. This is standing pose model image. I already erased the background. Simply stretch it and you have to arrange perfectly in the center here. Now tap on add photo, select the shadow PNG, and this is hair PNG. Keep this aside, and first I am going to arrange the shadow to the bottom like this. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another shadow in this portion. Tap on move down. Perfect. Now I am going to arrange this hair PNG. Have to arrange it perfectly like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, erase on the border portions like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select the further PNGs. These are the further PNGs. First I am going to arrange this coconut PNGs one here. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and bring it here. Tap on flip rotate, tap on third one and arrange in this portion. Now bring this wings perfectly here. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, hardness to 100 and draw like this. And it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, we have to go to blend and we have to make it multiple. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, the photo editing in PicsArt is completed. we have to take this image to the Snapseed application. First, you have to save this. Friends, open Snapseed app, tap on this plus, add your model image. The first step, tap on pencil, scroll down, tap on text, double tap and tap on into and write your model name. Tap on OK. Now select these layers, tap on this second font and bring it down here. Now tap on opacity, decrease little opacity. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to reverse arrow, tap on view edits, tap on text, tap on this brush. Now you have to simply and you have to start drawing. Perfect. Now tap on tick, tap on back arrow. Now tap on pencil, go to vignette and tap on tick mark. Next step, go to pencil, go to details, keep the details to around 25. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to pencil, go to tune image, decrease little opacity, increase little contrast, saturation little more and ambience little bit, decrease the highlights and decrease little shadow. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.